Wow, look at this. We're at the Atlantic Beach. There's a bird. We're right here on the ocean. The tide was a little more today, but look. Another bird. Birds are dying down here. We've seen like a dozen today. Look, here's another one. Another bird. That's crazy.
What? Oh, yeah.
All the seagulls are just like washing up on shore. Look, another dead seagull. Oh man, this is crazy. Here at Atlantic Beach, seagulls are washing up on the shore, and it's crazy. Something's killing them. And we got another one. Holy moly, this one, no, that's got a shell in it. I thought it was a tag maybe. Yeah man, this is wild. There's just seagulls everywhere all over the beach that are dead.
Who are you talking to?
And here's another one. We just found another seagull. There's just tons of them washing up on the shore here, dead, here at Atlantic Beach in North Carolina. Oops, sorry.